This is 1.5 inch PVC, by the way. New battery, hold on. Well, I'll tell you what, these DeWalt batteries aren't holding their charge very long. I'm just about ready to upgrade to the Makita lithium. I mean, I have several Makitas, and I'm just about ready to say goodbye to DeWalt. And y'all know I have a huge collection of DeWalts. But I like Makita a lot more than I like DeWalts now. All right, I got one more to put up in the sunroom, and they're, I don't know what to call them, a flashlight caddy, a holster. I'll think of something. I'm supposed to be wearing this heart monitor. It's blinking red because it's not attached to me. I was supposed to wear this for 2 weeks. And this is the third day that I've had it on. The thing came off my chest, just a tiniest little bit of sweat, and it just slid right off. And nowhere does it say not to sweat. As a matter of fact, they say you can shower with this thing on. So, who knows how much this thing costs? Several $100s, maybe even more. I don't know. But I'm supposed to wear it for 2 weeks, take it off, and mail it to them. And what they're checking for is AFib. I've been having some heart-related issues, which is why I don't spend a lot of time in my shop, because my heart gets to beating so bad I think I'm going to pass out. Store closed. It's already closed. I've gone and checked. And this is the Sears store that every time I come here, I just wondered how on earth they could possibly stay open. They'd have one or two people. You'd have to go find somebody to come to a cash register to buy anything. It was clear that the people who were there did not want to be there. And then on top of that, what Sears did to their craftsman name is unforgivable, in my opinion. And this is exactly what Sears deserves. I have no sympathy for you, Sears. I do feel sorry for all the people that gave you years of their life working for you, and then you basically sucked it to them by going cheap on your tools and really milking the thing instead of trying to make it a profitable business. You milked it out of its last penny, and you're still in business, but not for long. Not for long. They closed this one and two more over in Shreveport. This is in Bossier City. So good riddance, you know? That's what I say.